core Java so that we don't directly jump into this.
Okay, sir.
How much you rate about in Java out of 10?
7, 6, 7.
7, you are right. Okay, that's your good confidence showing. Okay, so let's start with some basic concept and then we'll go some deeper and then SQL and then Spring Boot. Okay, it's all
Okay.
depend at how your core knowledge and then we go for advanced things. So very first thing that we'll start with what are the features that you find in Java that is not
Sir,
in other in languages?
the normal language. So basically, Java is a language which is not totally object oriented, but it's whenever we write the code, we have to write into the classes and object. So basically, it follows the principle write once and run anywhere. So we can write the code on any machine, and after compilation, we can run the program on any platform. It is a platform independent. That's it, and it provide all the features of the OOPS also, and interfaces, abstraction.
Okay, we'll come on that point. Okay, now as you say that oops is a good feature of Java programming, right?
Yes.
So how you differentiate between the abstract class and the interface?
So basically, abstract class and interface. So abstract class is a class, and interface. So abstract class, we can in abstract class there are a non-abstract method and also the abstract method. We can't directly create the object of the abstract class. Abstract
Mhm.
class has a constructor. We have to implement the abstract class means by inheriting into the child class and creating the object of the child class. We can access the data member and member functions of the abstract class. Talking about the interface, so interface contains the public abstract methods, and the variables that we declared in the interface are final. Means once we declared it, we can't redeclare or reinitialize it. And after Java 8, there is a default and some private methods. So, and interface doesn't have the constructor. And talking about the interfaces, we can achieve the multiple inheritance through the interface.
Okay,
By classes, we can't uh, do it because the compiler got confused and the ambiguity problem is occurred.
okay, as you said that it is not possible to achieve multiple inheritance using classes, right?
Yes, sir.
So also you said there is an ambiguity.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So in class, while using class, we get ambiguous or compiler get confused, right?
Hmm.
But in case of interface, it is not get confused. So can you tell me the why it is not get confused?
Sir, because the methods are abstract, so we just define the method signature. But what we want to implement and what we want the method do, so we can implement it according to the us. So we can directly implement the interface and override the method and implement according to the user what he need. So
Okay,
that's
fair
why.
enough. No worries. Is it possible to create an object of abstract class?
No, sir, not directly.
Why?
Sir, cause if we directly create the object means it is creating like a contract type. So we have to inherit the methods and inherit means override the methods in a child class, and then only we can create the object of that class.
Why we
Cause
directly can't create the object? What was the problem behind this?
sir, cause their exact problem I don't know, but we have to inherit it because we define some contract. Like we must inherit this method. Then and then only we can create the object of that child class and
Without
access the data
inheriting, it
member
is
and
not
member function.
possible, right?
No, sir.
Okay, no worries. So perfect.
I'm
Uh,
not confident, but
yeah, not a problem. So we'll go with the why we need a polymorphism in Java and how to achieve it.
sir, polymorphism means it is the ability of a message to display in a many forms. Like suppose we have the interface and we can't create the object of the interface, but we make the reference type and make the object of the class that implement it, and we can access the all the methods. So this is the basic application of the polymorphism. And talking about how we can achieve it, so through the there are two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. So compile time polymorphism is achieved by the function overloading, and runtime polymorphism is achieved by the function overriding. So
Then what is a function overriding?
function overriding, it is the concept, sir, that is we define one method with a same in a base class, and we override it into the child class with the same name of a signature but a different implementation, sir. The method signature should be same.
Okay, so means a child class can be override the parent method, right?
Yes, and change the implementation.
So what if I don't want allow to child to override my method?
Don't want.
How I can restrict my class to be not get override?
We can make the method final.
Finals. Okay. In a similar way, you can also protect our class by inheriting also.
Yes, yes, sir.
Perfect. So we'll now go with some strings chapters. So
Okay,
can
sir.
you just differentiate string is immutable,
Yes, sir.
right? So how I can make it is a mutable.
Sir, we can make it mutable using the string builder or string buffer class.
Perfect. So now tell me the difference between the string buffer and the string builder class.
Sir, string builder is a faster than the string buffer, because string builder is non-synchronized, where the string buffer is a synchronized. That is the only one difference. Otherwise, both are same.
So thread shape is the which one is the thread
Thread
shape?
set.
Which one
A
is the thread
string
shape?
buffer.
String buffer is a thread shape. Why?
Uh, Sir, because it allows one thread to access only one time, means one operation at a one time. It won't applicable, means thread synchronization is done in the string buffer, but not in a string build.
Fine. Why we need an exception in Java? What is the role played by exception handling?
The exception is an unwanted event that occurs at the runtime, or it crashes our program. It crash our flow of the program. So we have to, when we handle it using the try catch block, so we can handle the exception and continues our flow of the execution. It won't means the program will not crash when we handle the exceptions.
Now, what is the use of finally block in exception?
So finally block it is executed every time. Doesn't matter the exception got or not.
It is executed every times,
Yes, sir.
right? What if in try block if I give the system dot exit? Okay,
And then this is a case, sir, that JVM will exit the method. It won't execute, sir.
it not execute final class, right?
Yes, sir. Finally, method.
Are you sure for 100%?
Yes,
Because
sir.
if in
System
try
dot
catch,
exit.
if I exit the block, then it will not execute finally block.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, no worries. Have you ever about a constructor?
Yeah, yes, sir.
And the one more thing, static about a static block.
Yes, sir.
So among the static block and the constructor, which one is get executed first?
Sir, first is the object that static block. So
In
whenever we
one class, there is a I have written one static block, right? There is
Hmm,
simple message. This is static block, and there is a one
yes, sir.
constructor also by displaying some basic message. And which one is get executed first?
Uh, sir, if the static method is inside the class, first the constructor, because if we call the constructor, then and then the method references and all memory allocation will done. But I am confused. Like the static methods are goes into the means method areas, and constructor will done in the heap. So I think sir constructor will call first. Then and then only we can access the static methods.
Sure and
But static method are those method we don't have to create object of that method. We can directly access cause through the class. So static method call first.
okay, no worries. Oh, fine. So now let's go with some thread concept. Or have you ever about a thread?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, tell me like what are the problem with some basic programming? So and what thread trying to solve the problems? Which problem is
Sir,
solved by the
base
thread?
thread. Which problem? So to means access the we can access the critical section to make a control access on a critical section and avoid the race conditions.
What is a rest condition?
So race condition is a condition where the thread or processes are trying to access the same resources, and at the same time they are trying to change it, making changes at the same time. And so the changes are overridden, means not visible to every threads, and it may got inconsistent data.
Okay, how we can achieve a thread? How many ways are there to achieve a thread?
So there is two ways by implementing the runnable interface
Hmm?
and the extending the thread class.
Okay, fine. And then which one is a better among those and why?
So runnable interface is a best because whenever we want to extend another class into the class that we are implementing the runnable interface, so here we can do that. But if we extend by doing the thread class, here the multiple inheritance problem got, and that's why. And Java doesn't support the multiple inheritance. So that's
So now, uh, have you ever about array?
yes.
So tell me the two drawback of array
Sir,
limitations.
first of limitations means array is static in nature. We have to define the size of the array at the time of the initialization, and it won't grow as per the user need. It is a static in nature.
Hmm? Only one
And
drawback is there.
one and second one is it is we can store only the primitive data types. It won't work on the objects.
Can we store a different data type in array? Is it possible to store
No, sir. Only the same type of.
only the same types? It is
Yes, sir.
not possible to store string, float, character together in array.
No, sir.
Okay, so have you aware about an object class in Java?
Yes, sir. It is the parent class. I know about that. It is the parent class of all classes, object class.
And what if I make the object of object class and try to store a different data with the help of array? Okay, no
Uh,
worries. Not
I don't know,
it
sir.
initially there. That's okay. Okay, then if there is a problem, then framework solve that problem to make it static to the dynamic, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me like how it is a dynamic? Like what formula it apply and what is a default size when we are using a collection of anything? For example, you are using array list or linked list, anything.
Sir, the array list, it is a dynamic in nature.
Yes.
And it when we declare the array list, the default size is a 10.
Hmm.
And also the whenever the means it will extend whenever the array is full, it will extend the size by 1.5, multiply by 1.5 of the current size.
Okay, then according to you, then which one is a faster, array or a collection?
Arrays. Sir, cause if we Means array list store the object, and arrays are static in nature, and they are only work with a simply primitive data types. Okay, where array list we store the object, and we means there is a it whenever we trying to access by index or performing some operation, you have it should have to do internally a boxing unboxing. Also it will implement whenever we means we can say that when the array is full, it have to copy the elements, then extend the size. So that's why it takes a time. Internally, it takes a time as compared to the array.
So now just tell me the differentiate between has set and link has set.
So basically, both implements the set interfacer, and linked has set is used. Means what in what order we are inserting element, we got the order, and has set won't get the ordered element. It will give the random.
Okay, what class should I use where I want don't duplicate data should be ordered as well as in sorted also.
Ordered and sorted.
Huh.
I think tree set.
Preset you good for. Okay, perfect. So let's go for the database now. So which database have you used?
MySQL database.
MySQL you have used. Okay. So the very first thing, how you differentiate between the primary key and a unique key.
So basically, primary key is the unique identifier for each tuple, and every table has only one primary key, and it should not be null. And talking about the unique, it is the primary key is also the constant, and unique is also the constant. But there are more than one primary key. There are more than one unique column in a table, and it can accept the one null value.
Okay,
Mm.
fine. Is it possible to delete particular column in SQL?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, by using the data definition command, that is like alter table, drop column and column name. We can drop the column.
Perfect. So now just differentiate between the truncate and drop.
So basically, both are the data definition commands, and truncate and drop. So basically, truncate is used when we want to delete the rows at the same time, but it will keep the table structure in the database as it is. But
Mhm.
whenever we use the drop will delete the table structure itself and all the rows.
And what about the delete command?
So delete is a DML command,
Mhm.
and it is used to delete a particular row when we use the where clause. But if we won't use the where clause, it will delete all the rows, and we can roll back if we use the delete command in the transactions.
Okay, so have you aware about the rollback and commit as well, right? So what
Yes, sir.
process
These
should we follow
are
to
the
achieve that rollback and commit command?
we have to keep it into the transactions, sir.
How we can start this transaction?
Sir, I haven't worked on it, but I know like we can create a transaction and by begin and end. Uh,
Yeah, that's all. That's by beginning we can start the transaction. Okay, no
uh,
worries. What is the use of foreign key?
Sir, foreign key it is an referential integrity. It will reference means when we have to join or make a relation between the tables, we use the foreign key, sir.
Okay, have you aware about the normalization rules?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the normalization rules?
So basically, normalization it is a concept which is used to reduce the data redundancy and increase the data consistency, means uniqueness in data. So basically, it is used to avoid the anomalies such as the deletion, insertion, updation, and there are a few basic rules of normalization. So there are normal forms like 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and Boise code BCNF normal form. So first normal form, whenever means there should not be the multi-valued attribute
Mhm.
in a table. So the a table should not have the multi-valued attribute. It is in a one normal form. Second normal form means the table should be in a first normal form, and there should not be the partial dependency. Means all the non-prime attributes should be depend on the prime attributes. And third one is a in third normal form there is no transitive dependency. In The table should be in second normal form and there should not be the transitive dependency. And in BCNF normal form, there should be table should be in the 3NF, and if the X is dependent on Y, the X should be the part of the composite.
Okay. Uh, Fine. How many aggregate functions are there in SQL?
So there are five: sum, average, mean, max, and count.
Perfect. So, what if I want to get the name of the employees who is getting highest salary? How we can write this
Okay, we
query?
can. Okay, should I write on notepad or notebook?
I can present your screen so that I can check it.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, I'm very fine. Share your notepad. You write the name of the employee who is getting highest salary. Just zoom out a little bit and don't turn off your camera. Okay, keep the camera on.
No, sir, I don't. I'm not visible.
Yeah, now you visible. Just keep on.
Okay, sir. I don't know how to zoom out it, sir.
Yeah, just write it down. Yeah, that's fine. It's
It's
okay for fine. Yeah.
so.
Is it correct query?
No, sir. We have to use group by here. If you want, then we select name maximum salary. It will use group the data and calculate the maximum salary according to the
So, is it
name.
possible to use a common field with the aggregate function?
Uh, so, sir, we can use it by doing the ID, but when ID and name, and then we can do group by ID and name. Then it will give the maximum salary by grouping the ID and name and maximum salary by group, and then it will give the maximum salary.
I just want only employee name who is getting highest salary, okay, not grouping and
Okay,
all
sir.
these things.
We can achieve it by doing the subquery, sir.
Okay, go
Mm,
ahead, write that query first.
Select name from employees. We can ID component, suppose, where ID in select where salary is equal to select max salary from employees. So
Yes.
I think so. It is correct.
And what about I want second highest salary name of the employees who is getting second highest salary.
Okay, second highest salary we want. So we can do like that. Okay, we can do order by
Mhm.
salary descending. We can use here limit one and offset one. So uh it will means salary. Sorry for that. So basically, it will do like that. Means when we it will extract all the salary and it will then array the salary by descending. Then it will skip the first salary because we use here offset one and limit only one salary. It will show only one row. That is the second highest salary ID and name.
Okay. So how you can group the employee by department wise?
We can directly use the group by clause.
Just write the query.
Select ID comma. Suppose select ID comma. Select name comma department. I have to use group by clause. Name comma department. So
Okay. Now there are small Java programs.
okay.
Just write the question and then try to solve it. Okay. Uh, take one input. There is string input. Okay, for example, write AABB.
That's a small letter or mix
You
of
can
letter
write
or
anything, small letter.
lowercase
Yeah.
a
Triple time X,
triple time x
Y, Y,
y
B,
d
and D.
d.
This is your input. Okay. And what I
Hmm.
expected output, enter here. Do the enter. And expected
Hmm.
output should be A2,
A2
A2, X3,
x3
Y2.
y2.
You got the, I think what I want to say that B2 and
Yes,
D1.
yes, b2. We
Okay.
have to calculate the frequency of each letter.
You
No?
have 5 minutes. Keep the screen on and write it down. Perfect.
Okay, so first we can define the map character.
Do you have any editor for the executing Java program?
Yes, sir. I have the
If you
IntelliJ.
have, that will be a better instead of writing on notepad.
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable in both, sir.
Yeah, but
Should
use
I?
editor. Yeah, not a problem. कोणतं क्लासरूम एमटी
It's not. It's working now. It's taking a lot of time. Why is giving error? Date key. Sir, should I return it into the direct? Should I print it directly, or should I have to save it into the one string?
No, you can use anything like no. The expected output should be same.
The accepted output should be same. Okay, we have to.
It's a number of character and then the count. You can print separately or a single string, doesn't matter.
We can directly do that. Um, character considered key set. No matter. Let's do for okay. Show the list input dot lamp. Here we can do say just equal to caret input dot get input make one string builder. String builder str string builder element str dot append ch plus str dot append uh, frequency dot get ch and simply print system.out.println str. Okay. So it's taking a lot of time, I think. Can you check my logic? Like, or should I execute?
Okay, what you have done, you used this map, something, something, something. Any partial input output is there?
No, sir. It's just executing pre-compiled. Okay, wait for it.
Okay, no worries, Joe. That's fine.
You can check the. I can explain the logic also, sir,
No, I
if
got
you
it.
want.
No problems. So Rohan Chauhan, 10th, 94%, 12th, 79.
Yes, sir.
CGPA got 8.2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no worry, Rohan Chauhan. We'll get back to you and you had a nice interview. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
whatever the feedback, I will be posted on your WhatsApp. Okay. No worries.
Okay, sir.
So thank you for giving the interviews.
Um,
Bye.
sir, is there means area of improvement?
I'll get you the feedback. Okay. And give the good feedback. Actually, have had a good interview. Answer almost 90% questions. So that will be good. Your communication also the good. Okay. In some areas, there is some basic improvement. I will get feedback to you. Okay. No worries.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
So can we take one another interview on Spring Boot also, sir?
Yeah,
Because
that
I
will
have.
I can take a separately on a backend, a Spring Boot REST API and the React. Okay.
Okay.
You can tell me the date and time, so accordingly you can take the interviews. Okay. This is for
Okay,
the
sir.
core
Thank you.
foundation. I just want to take a core Java knowledge and SQL knowledge. Okay. And then for the second round, we can go for the backends. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Perfect.
So, thank
Got
you
it.
for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for your time.
Yeah. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.